Welcome back to a pretty sad video because right now my computer is not working. As you can see, I tried all my best to do something about it, but yeah, it doesn't work. Sadly, there's gonna be no editing because I don't have internet, so my video editor won't work. I can try to open it. I can try to open my video editor and it won't work. For some reason, my Wi-Fi network is not going well, and I don't have a SIM card, so literally I don't know what to do. I'm just stuck in here. I can't do anything. Oh look, my video editor is not gonna open. Yeah, so it's just been a very boring day today, and yeah, I don't really like it. So I'm gonna be bored today. I'm not gonna have anything to do. Yeah, I am just recording this off of my phone right now, so it's kind of wobbly. But anyway, I'm not gonna have anything to do today, so I'm just gonna stay bored. You're doing nothing and just wait. Now I tried restarting, but this doesn't work, and I'm gonna show you. So if I go to Google Chrome here, I'm gonna go to the Apple. I'm gonna restart my computer, and I'm going to restart here, and I'm just gonna click reopen Windows because I don't like it when it doesn't reopen. So put it back, and here it doesn't work. Okay, now I restarted. But you'll see after a few seconds it won't turn on. So as you can see, it's on the password screen. Now it's gonna be on the password screen. Okay, so let me go ahead and type in my password. Check if it shows. Okay, great, it doesn't show. So let me go ahead and type in my super secretive password. Shit, let me just maximize in here a little bit more so you guys don't try and guess to what I'm typing. So 970, there we go. Okay, right now it's showing Chrome. So if I open Chrome up, click Chrome here. Okay, so here we go. My video editor is my video editor's opened up, but literally Google Chrome won't work. I'll show you. Let's say I open Google search. Okay, you can see here it's loading. See that there? It's loading. And okay, a network change was detected, but actually it doesn't work. Here, as you can see, I can press the reload button, it won't work. Click on reload here. Yeah, it doesn't work, it just says no internet. Well, I am connected to Wi-Fi. You can see right here, you can see the Wi-Fi icon right up here in the finder bar. See, the Wi-Fi is showing up. But there's no Wi-Fi here, so I'm left out. But what I can try is, I can't really do much, but I will try my best to get this working. Actually, let me turn off the brightness. Because it might be a little disturbing. I will turn off the brightness if you don't like it. Yeah, I'm gonna turn down the brightness here. Okay, zoom out. Okay, that's better now. But anyway, this is just in a it's not a working state. As you can see, if I press reload, here, it won't work. So look, I'm clicking reload. Now it just says no internet. It says no internet. Literally, it just says no internet. And it's not doing anything. It says no internet and I can't do anything. So, end of story. So I can't use my phone. I can't use my laptop anymore. So yeah, that's all what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it is really boring, but yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another time if this is gonna even load. So, bye.